today we talk about how can you clear cache on your app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, you just go down here, you click here on me down here, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Then you click here on settings here, just click on it. You come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this here. Then all you have to do, you just click here on clear cache. You just click here on clear cache here. Then you click here on OK. So then automatically here it's going to clear with you on your app. So that's all you have to do. That's all. You just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.